In this episode of Threading Thoughts, we discuss the basics of franchising. While franchising is not an equal partnership, franchising can be a vehicle of success for both franchisor and the franchisee. A marketing concept, it is also a strategy for business expansion. The franchisor licenses know how, procedures, use of its business model, intellectual property, brand, and rights to sell its branded products and services to a franchisee. In return, certain fees are paid and certain obligations need to be met. However, one disadvantage of franchising is quality control, as the firm's brand name conveys a message to the consumers about the quality and consistency of the firm's product, and this has to be protected. Paresh Shinde founded Evanche, an information and technology company in 2020 to solve the sole purpose of businesses of all sizes by integrating technologies. He is also a part of the New York-based GLG Group of global consultants as a council member. Prior to founding Evanche, he successfully ran the franchise of Royal Enfield in 2017 as the sole proprietor in the Thane Bhiwandi area of Mumbai. He has also run the BMW marketing and sales campaign in Nasik and worked with the core team of Ogilvy Public Relations of Mumbai on the ICC World Cup 2011. Paresh, thank you so much for joining us today. It's really a pleasure to have you. And you are a very busy man, but thank you for taking time off.
No, actually, it's my pleasure to be able to provide some kind of a value to you because I think the idea which you're working on, like with Threading Thoughts, it's such a beautiful concept that I feel privileged, to be able to share this kind of any kind of information which I can provide. So, in fact, I'm lucky right now.
Oh, that's really kind of you. It's a small, effort that we are doing. Thank you. So, Paresh, I wanted to ask you, can you sort of elaborate on, some of the standard operating procedures, how to comply, how to cooperate with franchising? For example, small things like, you have checks, regular checks with the franchisor. The way you're going to sell or market the products, the territory, and then manufacturing, perhaps if you deal with it. So some initial points on franchising, please.
Yeah, see, the SOPs are very important in the franchisee, like it's basically standard operating procedure, So this is the most important kind of a thing, which a franchisor gives to the franchisee by providing its manual. So basically it's a set of procedure, specifically for operations, which is based on rules, regulations, guidelines of the parent company, of the main franchisor. So in this, like specifically a manual is given, to the franchisee, which he has to adhere step by step, guide by, like rules by rules, specifically he has to adhere to the rules. So in that way, this is how we comply, and like how we comply is, see, why it is given SOP mainly is for customers. Mainly, ultimately, what is everyone's need, to give a better customer satisfaction. So these guides are only catering mostly to the customers. So like customers in a way that, in the manual, what is written is how to, like have a specific display, a store display, that is very important. A processing kind of a outlet, a procedure, how to process, any kind of a customer is having a grievance, any kind of a thing, So even like there are a set of kind of guidelines for us, where we have to go in a very formulated manner, in a very standard manner, to address the grievances. So, like this is how it is actually, so it depends. The guidelines are also for the service operations, suppose in automobile industry. So it's basically in all the areas of operation, in the retail sector, in the cash payment processes, in the service sector, everywhere it is. So, I mean, this is how, like step by step it is given. Now, see, again, a more detailed SOP guidelines has to be discussed with the franchisor. Just a specific guideline cannot be practiced. Like suppose if a franchisor says that an order has to be replenished, during this kind of a time after a month. So it doesn't set that what time after a month, So again, a franchisee has to discuss this to the franchisor that, like in a very detailed manner, that if I have to replenish any kind of a reorder, then like at a certain level, it has to be on a certain level. Like suppose if my inventory is getting piled out, so at this kind of a certain level, even before the inventory gets totally piled out, at a certain point, I have to notify to my franchisor that I need the order, so like this can get working, in a very smooth manner, so that there is no breakage, there are no obstacles. Now, as you asked about complying, now complying happens with a lot of factors. Now, again, with the help of technology and digitalization, we have cloud-based technologies. We have automation systems in place, for databases, for documents, it's all in the software. It's all in the software. We have CCTV cameras, to like there is a particular person assigned by the franchisor who will only and only observe if the standard operating procedures are maintained by the franchisee or not, So with the help of CCTV cameras, even in the services areas, even in the retail areas, they monitor every kind of an activity, like how you talk with the customer, how you are, maintaining all the processes given in the guidelines. So basically, even automation, it's like a boon. So a kind of people are authorized for this, for automation platforms where a particular password is given to them. So only those kind of secret people, like they are not known to all the kind of employees, So these are like these people are provided by the franchise itself, as a supervisor, So where they are provided with the passwords, and they only do is they monitor all the activities, in all areas of operations. So this is how, we comply. This is how we maintain. Maintenance again goes with the inventory management, again with the accountancy, with the payment processes, even with the documents. We have to maintain all the documents properly, like updated, not just on the paper, but again with the softwares, because it gets rechecked with the paper also by the regional manager, monthly or weekly basis, and the same information has to be checked, with the online software platforms, so there is no kind of deviances, over there, so this is how I'm like transparency is maintained in both the manners, with the maintenance, compliance, and with SOPs. So that is how it is.
But it's very interesting because one thing that I wanted to check with you was, does it involve, so you said everything is online, it's very digitized. So is this something that the franchisor also comes in person and checks?
Yeah.
Or, the regional managers, they come in person and check? I mean, is that how that happens? Or
Yes.
everything is just digitalized?
No. This also happens that a franchisor, he hires a kind of a supervisor. So where like as an obligation, we franchise has to accept. This is management control, by the franchises. So it's an obligation for us that we cannot deny them, like if they want to do any kind of a specific control management kind of a stuff. So we are obliged, for them. So what they do is they hire us kind of a specific supervisor, who will come, maybe, it's a surprise random visit sometimes, by the regional manager, or sometimes by the regional manager itself, or sometimes by some kind of a supervisor, some kind of an unknown person which you don't know. Even this happens, okay? Even this happens. So they send a random person in a certain manner, that they will only do is they will only observe. So they will provide an ID and they will show that, yeah, this is from the company itself later, so we follow the practices, whatever they ask, whatever they see to show, the data, if they want to be seen, if they want to check the operational kind of like accessories, if we have the specific maintenance of oil or not, if we have the specific stock or not, so they come personally and they check whether the stocks are available or not, whether we're not depleted by the stocks itself. Twice a month you can expect, that is happening from regional manager.
Oh, wow, that's quite hands-on.